Udah di baik, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Baiklah, kami dari kelompok 7 akan mempresentasikan proyek akhir kami dari tugas bahasa Inggris untuk pendidikan fisika. Nah, di sini kami memiliki anggota 4 orang, yaitu saya sendiri Andrian, yang kedua Daulatul Kamalia, yang ketiga Dila Ayu Lestra, dan yang keempat yaitu Laili Fitria. Nah, di sini kami memiliki judul yaitu Knowing the Problem-Based Learning Model and its Application in Basic Learning. Nah, mungkin langsung saja kita masuk ke penjelasan singkat nanti dari penyaji, di mana penyaji pertama yaitu saya sendiri, dan di sini saya akan menjelaskan bagian abstrak dan introduction. Nah, di mana bagian abstraknya itu the study I am to determine the application of model-based learning which is applied in basic learning. The method used is a qualitative method with a specific approach related to the learning approach that is designed starting from the process of observing, asking questions, collecting data information, as coaching and communication. Those encouraging the development of student attitude, knowledge, and skill to be better and applying scientific and ethical principle. Yang bagian kedua yaitu introduction, answering the 21 country, the quality of the nation life is determined by educational factor. The role of educational is very important to create a smart, peaceful, and democratic nation life. According to Jean Piaget, education is a lesson between two sides. On the one hand, a social, intellectual, and moral value that are the responsibility of educator to instruct this individual. Sagala 2011 1. Nah, selanjutnya bagian metode yang akan dijelaskan oleh Saudari Daulatul Kamalia. Kepada Saudari Daulatul Kamalia, disilakan.
Okay, thank you, Andrian. The method used in this study is a qualitative method. This method was chosen because it aims to determine how to find, collect, process, and analyze data from the research result. The type of approach used in this research is descriptive method. As for what is meant by descriptive method, is a method that describes or describes the phenomenon of the problem to be studied at this time to the current state with the aim of finding answers about problem solving, and the result are carried out after exploratory activities. Saya kembalikan kepada Andrian.
Oke, thank you. Kita ucapkan kepada Daulatul Kamalia. Nah, selanjutnya itu materi bagian result and discussion yang akan disampaikan oleh Saudari Laili Fitria. Kepada Saudari Laili, disilahkan.
Okay, thanks, Julia. Result and discussion. Understanding problem-based learning. Problem-based learning is a learning method in which the learner encounters a problem that is systematically arranged. Discovery centered on the learner and the process of reflection. Teacher and Education Development 2002. Next, the syntax is divided into 5, namely, first 1, student orientation to problems, first 2, organizing students, Phase 3, reading individual and group investigation. Phase 4, develop and present the work. Phase 5, analysis and evaluate the problem-solving process. Next one.
Oke, thank you Laili Fitria. Next, kita lanjut ke penjelasan terakhir yang akan disampaikan oleh Saudari Dilayu Lestra, yaitu bagian conclusion. Kepada Dilayu Lestra, disilahkan.
Thanks, moderator. Problem-based learning model is a learning model that's begin with giving problems to students where the problem is experienced or is the daily experience of students. Students solve the problem to find new knowledge. Broadly speaking, PBL consists of presenting students with an authentic and meaningful problem situation and making it easy for them to conduct investigation and inquiries. Based on the result of the discussion, it can be seen that problem-based learning can improve student learning outcomes, teacher and student activities, and the ability of teacher to manage learning. Acknowledgement are directed to formal institution or a person supporting the receipt. The acknowledgement is completed with receipt contract letter number. That's all I can say. I will return it to the moderator.
Oke, thank you Dilayu Lestra. Nah, mungkin sekian penjelasan singkat dari proyek akhir kami. Mungkin jika ada kata-kata kami yang salah, mohon maaf. Wabarakatuh.